1. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Answer is Banu Mushtaq. 2. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Answer is Narendra Modi. 3. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Answer is Nagaland. 4. Which city has been officially declared as India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Answer is Kozhikode. 5. Which state is known as the Rice Ball of India? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. 6. The Santhal tribes is primarily found in which of the following states? Answer is Jharkhand and Bihar. 7. Who has the power to dissolve Lok Sabha? Answer is President of India. 8. Who was the first elected chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 9. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Answer is Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. 10. Nuakhai festival is celebrated in which state? Answer is Odisha. 11. Nanda Devi Peak is located in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. 12. Who is the chairman of the National Integration Council? Answer is Prime Minister of India. 13. Which of the following states shares the longest boundary with China? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 14. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within. Answer is 6 months. 15. Which country has hosted the Asian Games maximum number of times? Answer is Thailand. 16. Into how many zones has the Indian Railways been divided? Answer is 19 zones. 17. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? Answer is Lord Cornwallis. 17. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? Answer is Lord Cornwallis. 19. The science dealing with the study of phenomena at very low temperature is known as? Answer is cryogenics. 20. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which Indian state? Answer is Odisha. 21. Vanakbori Thermal Power Station is in which state? Answer is Gujarat. 22. Kathak is the classical dance form of which Indian state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. 23. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Centre, NDRC, inaugurated? Answer is Patna. 24. Naveen Ramgoolam has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Mauritius. 25. Somnath Temple is located on the coast of which Indian state? Answer is Gujarat. 26. The Sarod player Ali Akbar Khan was related to? Answer is Meher Gharana. 27. Ugadi festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Answer is Karnataka. 28. In which state is Brihadeshwara temple located? Answer is Tamil Nadu. 29. On which lake is India's first and only floating post office located? Answer is Dal Lake. 30. Which Indian state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? Answer is Kerala. 31. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Answer is Niti Aayog. 32. Who has been appointed as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India in 2024? Answer is K. Sanjay Murthy. 33. Pascal is a unit of measuring. Answer is pressure. 34. Who was the chairman of the first Administrative Reforms Commission initially? Answer is Morarji Desai. 35. Nathpa Jhakri Hydel Power Project is located in which of the following states? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. 36. Which of the following is not included in the state known as Seven Sisters of the North-East? Answer is Sikkim. 37. What is India's rank in the World's Press Freedom Index in 2025? Answer is 151st. 38. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Answer is Anora. 39. The Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, was set up on the recommendations of which of the following committees? Answer is Santhanam Committee. 40. The Losar festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 41. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer is Chief Justice of India. 42. Who will be awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Answer is Vinod Kumar Shukla. 43. Where is India's longest railway tunnel being constructed? Answer is Uttarakhand. 44. Dokra art is mainly related to which state of India? Answer is Chhattisgarh and Odisha. 45. Recently, Kanha Valley National Park has been included in UNESCO's World Heritage Tentative List. In which state it is located? Answer is Chhattisgarh. 46. India has revoked the Indus Waters Treaty after the Pahalgam terrorist attack. In which year did the treaty take place? Answer is 1960. 47. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Answer is Guneri Inland Mangroves. 48. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Answer is Japan. 49. Where is the headquarters of the Geological Survey of India located? Answer is Kolkata. 50. Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of. Comment your answer in the comment section.